Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable bloatware apps on your Android device to improve performance and free up resources, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications to view all installed apps on your device. Step 3. Browse through the list and identify bloatware apps that came pre-installed on your device and that you do not use. Step 4. Tap on the bloatware app you want to disable to open its app info page. Step 5. Look for the disable button on the app info page and tap it to disable the app. Step 6. Confirm the action by tapping disable app when prompted. This will prevent the app from running and free up system resources. Step 7. Note that disabling an app does not uninstall it completely, but it will no longer appear in your app drawer or consume resources. Step 8. If the disable button is not available, the app may be a critical system app that cannot be disabled. Step 9. Repeat these steps for any additional bloatware apps you want to disable on your Android device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.